So allow me to say thank you very much, Safaricom M-Pesa Foundation. I think you have seen for yourselves, Balozi and Karen, the great need that we have in this locality. And I want to thank you because you did not shy away to accept our request for partnership. And truly, you did not accept it because it is Soipan. You did accept because you sent record teams several times to drive through our roads, to see the great need we have in this area, and you objectively and decisively, within a very short time, agreed to partner with the Soipan Tuya Foundation. And it is going to be a project to be realized within 8 months. So God willing, in January of 2027, we will have the keys to this fully fledged level 3 hospital. We are going to get a fully equipped 40-bed capacity mother and child healthcare unit. It has 5 modern labor ward complex. We are going to have 10-bed newborn unit, 16 beds postnatal wards, 4 beds equipped delivery rooms, fully equipped medical laboratory, a kangaroo mother care unit, 5 units, 2 outpatient and consultation rooms. We are going to have a nurses stations, not just one. We are going to have a kitchenette and support utility spaces. We are going to have a 4-door male ablution block. We are going to have a pharmacy. We are going to have installation of medical equipment and systems, complete supply and installation of all required medical equipment and furniture, fully equipped outpatient departments, fully equipped diagnostic laboratory, cylinders, tanks, and accessories, a standby solar backup system with associated electrical installations, water supply and pumping systems. Right now, the water is coming from the stream and no reticulation there. Construction of 6 self-contained staff quarters.